all about the whole final year. It is the launch, and it's very exciting because Pizza Hut, we don't just want to have another flavor of pizza. Now, we want a reason for you to come together, catch up with your friends, your family, your loved ones, especially end of the year, right? Because you're so busy working. So this is it, and let me just tell you, the launch today, it is very explosive, it is very dramatic, and you're going to find out why it's so dramatic in just a little bit. Officer.
For this launch. Okay, I would like to, before I start and telling you more about what we are going to launch today, I would like to take this opportunity to say thank you to all our media friends. Thank you for all your supports all these years, because I have seen you coming for all these years. Yeah, many events that we have launched ever since 35th anniversary, if you remember, and we promise you and we promise to all our customers that we will bring in more innovations since then. So I think over the years that we have seen quite a few things that we have done. I would say that not too bad. I think that we are doing okay. So there are quite a few things that we have done in the past 2 years. And we also have our Chinese New Year pizza, Raya pizza. And do you remember the most recent?
Singing pizza.
Singing pizza is one, yes. We also launched it this year. Of course! How could you not remember durian pizza? Yeah. So, yes, we also have a singing pizza, and we also opened our 400 store this year. So we have done quite a few things. Not too bad lah, right? Not too bad. Yeah, so now come year end, what do we do? It's year end time. You know that when it comes to year end,
One! Alright, ladies, let's take a quick seat so we can have a look at the launch. Pizza Hut Malaysia's Black Volcano Pizza. What a launch, champion! I'm feeling the heat is so explosive. Ooh, sounds absolutely delicious. Now I'm very excited to present to you the official TVC for the Black Volcano Pizza. Take it away. Can't wait to try it later. And we're gonna have it letops right now. Okay, here's where the fun begins. We have some vouchers to give away.